In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage forms in Smartsheet, Form Management 2026. Start by heading to smartsheet.com in your browser. This is where everything lives, from your sheets to your forms. If you don't have the page bookmarked yet, it's worth saving for quick access later. Next, log into your Smartsheet account. I'll keep this part quick. Enter your credentials, and if your organization uses single sign-on or asks for a verification code, complete that prompt. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken straight to your home area. On the home screen, you'll see your recent items, favorites, and a navigation panel to the left. We're going to work inside a specific sheet, so let's get to it. If you know where your sheet lives, great. If not, look to the left and open all workspaces. This shows every workspace you have access to. Select the workspace that contains your project, then choose the exact sheet you want to manage. If you have a lot of content, the search bar at the top is a fast way to find the right sheet by name. With the sheet open, look toward the top of the window for the Forms option in the toolbar. This is your gateway to creating, viewing, and organizing all forms connected to the sheet. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding your window or checking the More menu on the toolbar and make sure you have the right permissions for the sheet. Click Forms, then choose Manage Forms. This opens a panel or window showing every form tied to the current sheet. Here's where you take control. You'll see a list of form titles, and clicking a form will open it for editing if you need to adjust fields or layout. To the right of each form, the three-dot menu reveals more options. Use this menu to rename a form so your team instantly knows its purpose. Duplicate a form when you need a quick variant without rebuilding. Copy the share link to distribute it to your submitters or remove a form you no longer need. Depending on your setup, you may also see options to set a default form or adjust settings like open or closed status and confirmation messages. A few tips to stay organized. Use clear naming conventions, especially if you have multiple forms for different audiences or phases of a process. Add brief descriptions inside forms so submitters know exactly what's expected. Before sharing widely, test the form yourself to confirm required fields, column mappings, and conditional logic behave as intended. Finally, share links responsibly and avoid requesting sensitive information unless it's truly necessary. That's it. Your forms are now easy to find, manage, and maintain inside Smartsheet.